long before electricity, digital tools, or precision machinery. Ancient engineers created machines so advanced that even today as experts struggle to understand how they were built or why they were forgotten. These devices were not myths, they were real, mechanical, functional, and centuries, sometimes millennia, ahead of their time. Today, we examine 6 ancient machines that modern engineers still can't fully explain. Number 1. Heron steam turbine. Nearly 2,000 years ago, Heron of Alexandria created a device that used steam pressure to produce rotational force. A bronze sphere suspended above a fire, 2 angled nozzles releasing steam, and a continuous spinning motion that mimics a modern turbine. Some historians believe this wasn't just a demonstration, but the first step toward automated machinery. The real mystery is not how it worked, but why ancient societies never took the next step into an early industrial revolution. Number 2. The south-pointing chariot. An invention from ancient China that could maintain a constant direction without using a compass. As the chariot turned left or right, a mechanical differential beneath it rotated a figure above, ensuring it always pointed south. This was navigation without magnetism, without electronics, without modern science. Even today, recreating the gear ratios with perfect accuracy is extremely challenging. This machine was centuries ahead of its time. Number 3. The Antikythera Micro-Gears. Most people know the Antikythera mechanism as the world's first analog computer, but buried inside its corroded remains are tiny precision-engineered subgears with teeth so small and precise that replicating them today requires high accuracy. How did ancient Greek engineers cut gear teeth this tiny, this uniform, and this mathematically perfect? Even with modern tools, producing identical gear profiles is not simple, and yet they did it over 2,000 years ago. Number 4. The Roman multi-wheel watermill. In southern France, archaeologists discovered a massive ancient complex powered entirely by water. 16 water wheels stacked in a descending system, driving interconnected gears that powered an industrial-scale factory. This wasn't a simple mill. It was automation, power, distribution, mechanical engineering on a scale no one expected from the ancient world. Modern engineers still debate how the Romans balanced the torque, weight, and flow rate across so many simultaneous wheels without precision measuring tools. Number 5. Archimedes mechanical lifters. According to ancient records, Archimedes designed cranes and lifting systems capable of moving massive stones with surprisingly little human force. His compound pulleys, geared claws, and mechanical lifters were so effective that Roman commanders described them as machines that defy the strength of armies. Even today, engineers cannot fully replicate some of the lifting efficiency recorded in historical accounts. The mathematics behind these machines appear far more advanced than what the period should have allowed. Number 6. Heron's automated devices. Heron didn't stop at steam power. He engineered mechanical automata capable of performing entire sequences without human intervention. Doors that opened themselves, figures that moved along tracks, theatrical scenes that changed automatically. All driven by rotating drums, ropes, pulleys, and carefully timed mechanical logic. It was, essentially, the world's first mechanical programming. And while modern engineers can replicate portions of these devices, the full complexity described in ancient writings has never been reproduced perfectly. These 6 machines prove that ancient engineering was not primitive, but extraordinary. Steam power before modern turbines, navigation without magnetism, precision gearing without modern cutting tools, industrial automation without electricity, lifting power beyond expected capabilities, and mechanical programming centuries before computers. It raises a question modern experts still debate today. How much ancient knowledge has been lost forever? And what could humanity have achieved if these machines had never disappeared? This is RetroMechanika, bringing forgotten engineering back to life.